Hello everyone. Today's article is titled Superfood for Honeybees. It explores how scientists are testing supplements designed to boost bees' immune systems, hoping to protect them from pesticides, disease, and climate stress. The story highlights how bees are not just producers of honey, but vital partners in global food security. Let's pause for a moment before we move into the article. We'll watch a short clip related to today's topic. As you watch, think about what ideas or questions it brings to mind.
Scientists say they've developed a new superfood that could help honeybees. The supplement is designed to mimic pollen and can significantly enhance colony reproduction.
Now that we've seen the clip, let's take a step back. Before we dig into the details, it helps to explore a broader idea behind the story. This will guide how we understand what follows. This brings us to the theme of environmental interdependence. Bees might look small, but their role is enormous. By pollinating crops, they support ecosystems, farmers, and global food supplies. When bee populations collapse, the effects ripple through entire economies and societies. Protecting bees reminds us that humans and nature are deeply connected. Our survival depends on the survival of even the tiniest creatures. Why are bees considered so important for humans and the environment? Bees matter because they are key pollinators in our food chain. Roughly 3/4 of the world's leading crops depend on bees to reproduce, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without bees, supermarket shelves would look emptier and food prices would rise sharply. Their importance goes beyond farming. Healthy bee populations support biodiversity, ensuring that flowers, trees, and wild plants also thrive. When bees disappear, ecosystems weaken and humans lose both food security and natural balance. In short, bees are small but indispensable partners for life on Earth. Now, to understand this article better, we need to familiarize ourselves with key vocabulary. We'll go over 3 important expressions, learn their meanings, and see them in action with example sentences. Let's start with pesticide. It refers to a chemical designed to kill pests like insects or rodents. In the article, pesticides are one of the main threats weakening bee colonies. Here is an example. Farmers reduce their use of pesticides to protect local wildlife. Next, we have pathogen. It means a harmful microorganism such as bacteria, viruses, or fungi that causes disease. In the article, scientists hope supplements will help bees resist deadly pathogens. Here is an example. Doctors warned that the pathogen could spread quickly through contaminated water. Finally, let's look at indispensable. It describes something absolutely necessary, without which something else cannot function. In the article, bees are described as indispensable partners for human survival. Here's an example. Trust is indispensable in building strong relationships. Now that we've explored the main themes and vocabulary, let's reinforce our understanding with a summary dictation exercise. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. Honeybee populations are collapsing worldwide due to pesticides, disease, and climate stress, threatening crops from apples to almonds. Scientists are testing a nutrient superfood to boost bees' immunity and help them survive harsh winters or pesticide exposure. Early results suggest stronger that this has helped them create more resilient colonies. With about 75% of global food crops relying on bee pollination, protecting these insects is critical for future food security. Let's check the answers and review what each word means. The first answer is populations. It means groups of the same species living in a certain area. The second answer is nutrient. It means a substance that provides nourishment or helps organisms grow and stay healthy. The third answer is immunity. It means the body's ability to resist disease or infection. The fourth answer is resilient. It means able to recover quickly from difficulties or adapt to change. The fifth answer is pollination. It refers to the process of transferring pollen to help plants produce seeds or fruit. Well done, everyone! We've explored why bees are indispensable to ecosystems and food security, and how scientists are testing supplements to protect them. We also learned vocabulary that helps us explain threats like pesticides and pathogens. Here's a final reflection. Looking to the future, do you think bee superfood will become common worldwide, or will it remain just a short-term experiment? We'll revisit this in our next review session. Until then, keep reflecting on how even the smallest creatures shape our survival.